Cut the tape and the straps. Remove the styrofoam. Cut the sides of the box. Remove the box. Remove accessories. Remove protective packaging material. Attach the handlebar to the frame and align it. Tighten the bolt with an Allen key. Hold the light so it's facing forward and tighten the screw. Remove both the screws on the shocks. The basket rack uses the screws we just removed. Place the screws into the loop and reattach it back into the shocks. Attach both sides. Place the basket on the rack and push the cables behind the mounting plate. Align the holes on the basket to the mounting plate. Place the bracket. The screw must go through the bracket and mounting plate. On the back, attach the nut. Hand tighten both sides. Tighten everything with a screwdriver and a wrench. Place the second bracket at the base of the basket. Place the bracket with the ridge over the rack. Attach 2 screws through both brackets. To attach the basket lid, snap on the hinge to the back of the basket. Stretch the lid so the hook can reach the lip of the basket. To lock the seat post, tighten the bolt and pull the clasp back to lock into place. Push down the blue lever. Tilt the seat forward. Remove the 3 nuts. Remove the 3 spacers. Tighten the bolt with a wrench. Put the spacers back. Take the backrest and align it to the screw holes. Reattach the nuts and tighten. The pedals are engraved with an L and an R, indicating the side they need to be attached onto. Screw on and tighten with a wrench. Do the same for the other side. The tire pressure is indicated on the tire. Remove the cap and attach the pump and fill it with air. Fill both tires. Your Paris is now ready.